Chapter 2 The Bicycle. My faith was not unshakable. The year of the revolution, I had to take action, so I put my prophetic destiny aside for a while. Today, my name is Che Guevara. I am Fidel, and I want to be Trotsky. We demonstrated in the garden of our house. Down with the king! Down with the king! Like revolution, the revolution is like a bicycle. When the wheels don't turn, it falls. Well spoken. And so went the revolution in my country. After a long sleep of 2,500 years, the revolution has finally awakened the people. 2,500 years of tyranny and submission, as my father said. First our own emperors, then the Arab invasion from the west, followed by the Mongolian invasion from the east, and finally modern imperialism. To enlighten me, they bought books. I knew everything about the children of Palestine, about Fidel Castro, about the young Vietnamese killed by the Americans, about the revolutionaries of my country. But my favorite was a comic book entitled Dialectic Materialism. In my book, you could see Marx and Descartes. The material world doesn't exist. It's only a reflection of our own imagination, says you. You mean that even though you see the stone in my hand, it doesn't exist, since it's only in your imagination? Exactly. Ouch! What are you doing, Carl? You broke my skull. Ha 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 ha. It was funny to see how much Marx and God looked like each other, though Marx's hair was a bit curlier. Despite everything, God came to see me from time to time. So you don't want to be a prophet anymore? Let's talk about something else. You think I look like Marx? I told you to talk about something else. Tomorrow the weather is going to be nice. It will be 75 degrees Fahrenheit in the shade. Shh! Wait a second. They burned down the Rex Cinema tonight? Oh my God! The doors had been locked from the outside a few minutes before the fire. The police were there. They forbade people to rescue those locked inside. Then they attacked them. The firemen didn't arrive until 40 minutes later. The BBC said there were 400 victims. The Shah said that a group of religious fanatics perpetrated the massacre, but the people knew that it was the Shah's fault. Tomorrow there will be another demonstration. Obviously, we can't let things like that happen. I want to go too. Don't you think I look like Che Guevara? Maybe I'll be even better as Fidel Castro. Where are you? Are you there? Knock, 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 knock. I want to come with you tomorrow. Where? To demonstrate on the street. I'm sick and tired of doing it in the garden. It is very dangerous. They shoot people. For a revolution to succeed, the entire population must support it. You can participate later on. Mom, please. Oh no. Sure, when it's over. Come on, you're going to bed now. Please, 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 God, where are you? That night, he didn't come. The end of chapter 2.